Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate a ChatGPT chatbot with WIX Chat to provide automated responses and enhance customer engagement on your site. Let's get started. First of all, go to OpenAI's website and sign in to get your API key. If you don't have an account, sign up and create a new API key under the API keys section. Copy the keys for later use. Head to your Wix site editor and enable developer mode to access value by Wix in the code panel. Paste your API key and set up an API request function to send customer queries to ChatGPT. This will allow Wix chat to forward customer messages to ChatGPT and return responses. Next, configure WIX-Chat to call your ChatGPT API function when a new message arrives. You will need to set up an event listener for incoming messages and link it to your function. Ensure ChatGPT's response goes back to the chat. And that's it. Now your WIX-Chat is integrated with ChatGPT, allowing automated responses for customers. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.